Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook basmati rice on the stove. First, measure out your desired amount of basmati rice. A good rule of thumb is 1 cup for every 2 servings. Next, place the rice in a fine mesh sieve and rinse it under cold running water. Continue rinsing until the water that drains from the rice is completely clear. This crucial step removes excess starch, which helps ensure your rice is fluffy and not sticky. After rinsing, it's beneficial to soak your basmati rice. Place the clean rice in a bowl and cover it with fresh water, letting it soak for about 30 minutes. Soaking helps the grains elongate and cook more evenly. For the perfect texture, use a 1 to 1.5 ratio of rice to water. So, for 1 cup of rice, you'll need 1.5 cups of water. Don't forget to add a small pinch of salt to the water for enhanced flavor. Now, let's get cooking. Transfer your soaked rice and the measured water into a heavy-bottomed pot. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting, cover the pot tightly with a lid, and let it simmer undisturbed for exactly 10 minutes. It's very important not to lift the lid or stir the rice during this time, as it disrupts the steaming process. Once the 10 minutes of simmering are up, turn off the heat but keep the pot covered. Let the rice rest for another 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period is vital. It allows the remaining steam to evenly distribute and finish cooking the grains, making them perfectly tender and separate. Finally, remove the lid and gently fluff the basmati rice with a fork. Your perfectly cooked, aromatic basmati rice is now ready to serve and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.